Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. Today I'm in my office, and this is my Young Living office. This is my Resin and Oak office. And if you guys are not familiar with my Resin and Oak, I love making things. So that's why you see my oils over here. You see my packing station and Cricut machine and everything here. And in front of me, I have my workstation. Here I love making things from resin. And actually my Etsy shop is called Resin and Oak. I even have an Instagram. And you know what? I don't think I've ever recorded myself making a YouTube video of me doing resin. So today I'm actually going to show you how I make this. So I have this for somebody, she personalized it, which on my Etsy shop, you get to pick the color and then you get to pick the leaf. I have a bunch of colors that you can choose from. The leaf, I have silver, gold, and rose gold. So this is hers, personalized. And not only that, she put a name on it, which you can do name and then journal or notebook. So you can do Patricia's notebook, Patricia's journal, so on and so forth. You get to pick, but I love this. Not only this, but I've got a bunch of colors to choose from. So you know what? Let me show you how I make it, and I will be showing you guys more as I do. So yeah, stay tuned. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And I want to apologize because I actually recorded this earlier and I didn't realize that it's not the long way, it's this way. So you're gonna see a little bit different. So I apologize in advance, but also I have mishaps and bloopers and so on and so forth. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, let's start off with the bloopers. I'm doing a little happy dance because the first day I posted the Resin Journals, I got 2 orders. Actually, the first hour I posted, I got 2 orders. So of course I'm gonna do a happy dance. But as soon as I started recording, I had all of these things happen to me. Blooper after blooper after blooper. But you know what? Life happens, you gotta go with the flow, right? Okay, 3rd time's a charm. I finally got the recording that I wanted, and you're gonna see some before and after, as in I start today and the finished product will be tomorrow. So without further ado, let's get to these resin journals. I'm so excited. Once I'm done buffing all the edges, making sure there's no air bubbles or anything sharp, I like to take my microfiber cloth and run it along the edges, but for some reason, I misplaced it today. I found it in one of my drawers. At least I found it. So I'll run my finger through the edges one more time, making sure I didn't miss anything, which it came out so beautiful. What I like to do is place it in between something heavy, make sure that it's nice and flat while it finishes curing. And while it's curing, I got my Cricut machine up and running. I'm gonna cut out the custom name that's gonna go in the front of the journal. Here I noticed that one of my binders couldn't go through the holes. Resin must have dropped on it, but it's okay. I grabbed my weeder, my buffer. I was able to get everything situated. Binders go in easily now. This journal came out so pretty. All that is left to do is put the name on the front. You guys, I don't know what happened. It must have flipped over while I was doing all of that because it is stuck to my desk. So I gotta redo the name, which no problem, the Cricut does the work. Let's get to it. Here it is, you guys, Jules's journal. Now I do have this on Etsy available, and you guys get to pick and choose your color. The leaf, I have silver, gold, and rose gold. You can pick the color up here. I have silver and gold binders. So go ahead and check it out. But Jules, your journal is ready. It comes with 50 A5 pages. These are refillable and you can get them on Amazon. So I love the way it turned out. I have more colors, so let me show you guys what I have. I got purple and silver leaf. So cute, love this color. I've got the blue and silver, which I just gotta put it all together. I love this blue. I like all of them, you guys. It's gonna be such a problem. This one, literally, I think is my favorite. Love green. Green and gold leaf. So pretty. And then white with rose gold. And I have one, it's not fully done yet, but let me see if I can at least show you guys. All right, it's still warm, so very flexible, but it's copper and rose gold. So if you guys want notebooks, journals, you can use them for cooking books, notepads, I mean, so many different things. Please go ahead and check out my Etsy shop. It's called Resin and Oak. I will share more things that I have with you guys. For instance, just an example. This is a soap, a soap dish. You put your soap in here and then the water pours out. I actually have one in my shower. As soon as you use your soap, put it straight in here, any excess water will drip straight out. So I have stuff like this. I got trinket trays, I got keychains. Oh my gosh. I got keychains. I got so many things, you guys. I love being able to create different things. And I took a hobby and I made it into a small business. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And again, I am sorry that it's this way and not this way, but I didn't think about it when I started recording. But anyway, till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.